Ladies and gentlemen, in anticipation of Hurricane Irene's arrival, please note that the Long Island Railroad train service is subject to change. Depending on conditions, this may include a suspension of service on one or more branches or a system-wide service suspension. Customers are advised to consider the impact of the storm before making travel plans this weekend. For the latest information, please monitor the MTA website as well as news and traffic reports.
Hurricane prep New York style with 1010 WIN senior correspondent Stan Brooks.
New Yorkers are getting ready for whatever Irene throws at them.
Perhaps those who may be among us tonight for the first time may be wondering what is going to happen now.
Hold him close, petals of a rose, thorns as well, friends and foes have no fear.
Don't you trust me? You trust me? You trust me? You must trust me. Trust me.
See much in the future.
Let them burn, things have gotten admire fire, things undone. There's applause, there'll be encore. You're sincere, that's what we're. Have no
Don't you trust me? You trust me? You trust me? You must trust me. Trust me.
Here in Long Beach, New York, we're awaiting Hurricane Irene, and all these guys can think about is surfing, and all I can think about is filming and shooting photos. So I guess we're all hobby junkies.